Welcome back, friends! Today we are learning easy English opposites for beginners. Let's go! Big, small, hot, cold, happy, sad, fast, slow, tall, short, day, night, open, close, light, dark, full, empty, wet, dry, old, young, clean, dirty, hard, soft, in, out, new, old, stop, go, on, off, excited, tired, brave, scared, calm, angry, above, below, laugh, cry, high, low, sweet, sour, loud, quiet, sit, stand, build, destroy, girl, boy, many, few, slow, run, push, pull, enter, exit, awake, asleep, throw, catch, fragrant, smelly, wide, narrow, thick, thin, heavy, light, near, far, round, flat, straight, curvy, smooth, rough, sunrise, sunset, young, old, clean, dirty, messy, neat, dark, bright, alive, dead, sun, moon, summer, winter, rainy, sunny, eat, drink, bitter, sweet, fresh, stale, tight, loose, fancy, plain, front, back, left, right, win, lose, float, sink, cooked, raw, alone, together,
Interesting.
Boring.
Smile. Frown.
Teacher.
Student. Rich.
Poor. Strong. Weak.
Early.
Late.
Busy.
Idle. Spend.
Save. Shallow.
Deep. Great job, friend! Learning opposite words today! See you soon! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.